I need some watch hours right now. I need some watch hours.
I'm coming. If you can connect to that one Apple device, we say money and buy this. Where is it in there? They want to the person and they said 30,000 dollars. Come me come in the code that you know, so you can buy this one. This phone I can pick it up. That's here. That's his phone. So basically, I have his phone. I can have his phone. Here it is. It's on my phone. So you can also some ticket you can get back on it. Yes, that's what I'm doing. Most of the time, oh, how are you? This is,
How are you doing, Sparta? Gracie. Oh, thank Thank you so much for joining. How are you doing? Hmm? With the water, you have a water in there and the juice. Hmm? No, the both of them are yours. The water and the juice. It a connect to the phone? Okay. So just can go give her if it a connect on it. If it a connect on that. Should we use it on that one? Sorry guys. She bought a headset but it's not connecting to the tablet. The tablet is Android, but she have one little phone there to connect to the phone, so she can probably use it with the phone. Yep, I like it, so I might get myself one. Yeah, I might get myself one of those. I like it. You know, when you go live and if per se you want to do like a karaoke thing, like maybe in the hours of the night as your perk, you can get one of those headsets and just because you'll be listening to the music very low, because you know certain music you can't you cannot play it out loud on the live, so you can listen to the music and you can sing along like a karaoke thing. Yeah, so I wanted to try that as my perks in the night time. Like, yeah, that would have been nice. Yeah, cause my thing is entertainment, so I can do that as well. Yeah. Thank you so much for the like. Thank you so much, Sparta. Thank you so much, Sparta, for joining. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to see. Sometimes I can't call the name, you know, guys. Sometimes I can't call the name. Yeah. Once the Q&A come back again. So I say I would buy one of that. I like it now that I see it how it look and it a connect to my phone a while ago. I go buy one for my birthday. What do you think, guys? It come up on the phone a while ago, you know. The headset. It come up on the phone a while ago. Oh. It come up on the phone a while ago. So probably tomorrow me get one for myself. I can put it over my ears and you know it come up, me see it come up on the phone. It look really nice. When it come up, when it connect to the phone and come up on the phone down at the bottom of the screen, it look really, really nice a while ago. So I'm gonna get one for myself. I'm gonna get one for myself. Yep, I'm gonna purchase one of those. So like late in the night, as I said, I'm supposed to do like a 12 o'clock live. So I'm gonna just do that and just sing Ambila vibe for the people them. Sing Ambila vibes and yeah, make you guys laugh and we can have fun together and things like that. Yes. Yeah, so let's get right into it. So let's talk food. Favorite Jamaican food, rice and peas and chicken. Cake and ice cream. Sweet or ask chat to vote. Alright. So sweet or is it, would it say sour? Sweet or sour? Sweet or sour? I would rather go with the sweet. So the Q&A is here. The Q&A says, a simple pleasure you always appreciate. Well, for me, I would say, you know, like you are somewhere and if per se you need assistance with something and someone, you know, tries to help you out, you know, I appreciate that. Yeah, I appreciate that. Someone does a kind thing for you. So Jamaican culture, one thing you love about Jamaica all time versus now. I don't eat. All time versus now. Rain or fall. I would say now we are living in a new era, as they call it, because things were, well, in the olden days or in the golden days, we as children or even teenagers, we wouldn't speak a certain way. Back then you didn't have any out, what they call it, any raunchy songs that would be playing out loud for children to sing along. Back then, you know, back then you have like Lady Saw and those artists, but children never used to sing along to those songs. Why? Because in the golden days or in the olden days, those songs you would only find them like in the dance hall when you go dance. Yes, they never have them like a play out on radio them time there. But now, nowadays you have like some raunchy, when I said raunchy, I mean really raunchy songs playing out loud in buses, in, I would say everywhere you go. You pass in a bar, they're playing even the children themselves on their phone, they're listening to those raunchy songs. So yeah, because them have smartphone and the phone on whatever music is, like maybe them download it or something. And yeah, well, even if they come in the bus and the driver is not playing those music, they will take out their phone and they will be listening those raunchy songs, and they will be singing it word for word. So the point I am getting at is, nowadays is different from back then, because children had respect. Nowadays, some children, they don't have any respect at all for adults and old elderly people. Yes, because if they're in the bus and you even said turn that down, some will listen, but some won't listen to you. They will be playing out loud and singing out loud, and if you say anything to them, it's a problem, because they will want to curse you out and maybe try to fight you. So children of back then to now, totally different generation. Totally different generation. So it is what it is. So if per se, that this is why most of the time when they're out there and anything happen, sometimes the adults don't want to say anything to them, because they know how it's going to turn out most of the time when you speak to them about anything that they're doing. So they just leave them alone to do what they want to do. Then they play them music on the bus until they come off of the bus and those things. So all we have to do is just tell our children not to just like how them not to curse bad words, because you try to grow them up good. You teach them morals and respect, so that if per se you are a person who listens to those type of music, you will be having in your earphone, or you turn your gadgets way down, because remember, there are other persons around who might not listen to those music, right? So you have to bear in mind that pertaining to what has been said in those music, you have persons who don't listen to those type of music. So you have to look out for other persons than yourself, right? So nowadays is totally different from back then. Back in the days, you wouldn't have those things going on. So it's different time we're living in now from back in the days. Totally different. Jamaican saying, ask chat to guess meanings. Who is here? Lord Jesus. Silent watchers, big up yourself. Yes, so hear the rain a fall? Oh gosh, man. Hear the rain a fall. Alright, so family talk. Jamaican saying, abstract to yes. Meanings. Family talk. Funny family moment. Perfect life. Okay, ask family or friend time tonight. Oh my god. Life question time. Very important. Okay. Ask question after. Should we do more lives like this? Number one. What content do you want to see next? Who's new here tonight? Who is new here tonight? Guys, you can type in the comment section who is new here tonight. Yep. So this one now, shout out names and the comments. Choosing the last 3 minutes. Alright, so I guess it's finished there. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for passing through. I appreciate you. I have to go look for Juba when I'm done. I have to go look see if he post any video or so. Thanks everyone for coming. Share, subscribe. Share, subscribe. Tell the guys, so share and subscribe. If you're still here, share and subscribe. And it's something. Big love to my A&I family. Stay safe and blessed, guys. Big up to my A&I family. Stay blessed. Stay safe and blessed, guys. Thank you for the live. I'm going to stay up on the live long this evening because I am, well, now we kind of work on so much hours. Yes, Lord. Yes, so you guys can listen the rain falling. Yes, rain is falling now. Rain is falling. Is it just you or you and him and the Lord? Do you want it for talking? Okay, so I'm gonna do this one. That is Rain starts to fall. When you create that now, me just put it together and just leave it, make it run. Where the rain and fall. You see guys, almost every day we get rain, you know. If we don't get it in the day, we get it in the night. Yeah? If we don't get it in the day, so let me show you guys the cloud how it dark today on the live since evening. Here rain a fall now. I saw the rain fall early morning, Sunday morning, and then after that now it fall after 10 in the Sunday morning again. So I couldn't get to go up on the road. I wanted to go, but I couldn't go because the rain fall. Couldn't get to go. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So yes guys, I'm gonna end the live and I'm gonna come back again. So yes.